Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Solana. All right, wanted to do an update today. Excuse me, I'm doing two things at once. I'm just closing some things here. But no, wanted to take a look at Solana. Wanted to do an update because in general, Solana has not been looking great. And I'm not sure when the last time was I covered Solana, so I'm not sure what my idea was back then. But I think the overall idea is the same, all right? But because for me, the technical situation for Solana right now is quite clear. Now, the last time around, we also talked about the fundamentals a little bit. So what we did, and I'll gladly do it again. If you look at the total value locked for Solana, that's dropping down. Now that's also normal because a lot of that value is in Sol coins, all right? So if the price of one Sol coin drops down, then obviously the total value locked drops down as well. So that's not necessarily very bearish. But then if we look at some other network statistics, especially when it comes to economic activity, what you can see is that DEX trading volumes are actually up a little bit. So that's good. But again, TVL is dropping down, which, you know, is a bit of a sign because of the times and the price of Sol. Daily transactions are actually going up, gas consumed is going up, and daily active addresses are going up as well. So what this is bullish. So there's a bit of a divergence here between the fundamentals of Solana and the price, because like I said, for the price, to me it's pretty clear. If you look at the daily time frame, what we're doing right now is that we, like, a very important level for Solana is right here at 160. It's a bit of a bigger area. It's like between 156 and 163, but that's an important level. All right, that's the main level that was our resistance in April and then into May, and then when we broke above that level at the start of May, that was the start of a big rally. All right, I'm not sure how big that rally was anymore in total, but it was a rally of about 18% for such a big coin as Solana. That's big. But what we have done with the bearish momentum we saw this week, or basically going into this week, is that we actually dropped down below 156. So we had a massive bearish breakout, and then with the moves we had on Wednesday, when obviously we had that inflation rate data and CPI data, which was better than expected, but then the interest rate decision was not that great, we actually respected and we rejected and got a bearish confirmation of those levels. So until further notice, we are bearish, all right, because we are dropping down. Solana against Bitcoin, I am afraid, is not looking great. We can have a look at that right here, but I'm pretty sure. Yeah, Solana against Bitcoin is also trending down, so there's no strength from Solana coming itself. And then if you look at the momentum for Solana, I assume that's not there. I assume that's not there either. Now you can see a bit of an increase here. Excuse these weird spikes. I'm not sure what that is. Every coin has them around that period of time, but you can see that we are gaining some momentum right here. But I'm not convinced yet, all right? Because if you look at the last couple of days, the momentum is still down a lot. So we're losing momentum. There's no relative strength. We are relatively strong against, or the fundamentals at least are relatively strong. But those really don't matter that much when all of those other factors are bearish. So do I think we can recover? Yes. But for now, I think it's much more, I think it's much better and much more likely to assume we'll retest 152 here, or maybe even 156, and we'll start to drop down towards 140, which you can see is a minor level, and then ultimately down to 130. That's what I think is most likely. And the one way we can stop this, and the one way we can reverse this, get a breakout above 157 and turn bullish again, is Bitcoin. All right, if Bitcoin turns bullish, if Bitcoin gains a ton of momentum and volume, which volume you can very easily check out on CoinMarketCap, then the situation changes. All right, then there's a possibility that Solana recovers. But until that happens, all of the confirmations are mostly bearish. All right, so that's why I think what I think, apart from what I've seen in the last couple of days. But that's what I think you need to know as well. All right, so if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.